So Mike, we're here on the shore in Orkney. How can we use the species on the shore to find out about climate change? What do we need to do? What do we study?
Well, there's a few things we could do, mostly based on the idea that northern species under a warming climate will be in decline, and southern species, relative to where we are right now, will increase. And you can see that happening both in terms of their geographical distribution. So southern species may extend their geographical distributions further north, and northern species may retreat from areas that they previously occupied in terms of the range. And at a more local scale, you can see changes in the abundance of those two types of organisms. So we've got some barnacles here which are basically from all the way from West Africa up to here in Orkney almost as their northern limit, and they may well be increasing.
Yeah.
The only way to find out is to kind of regularly.
So how regularly would you come to a shore like this? And
well, so it kind of depends on well, a place like this is hard to get to, so perhaps it might be an obvious choice for a regular monitoring place. But some of these organisms live for maybe 10 or 20 years, so for those things that live that length of time, then maybe the frequency you need to come to these places is less. But other things are much shorter lived, and they may be much more responsive to shorter term changes in temperature, for example. And we see that in some of the northern species of barnacles, the one which is predominantly from the Arctic down to southwest Britain, that lives for only 2 or 3 years. So a couple of warm years is enough to depress its abundance, and a couple of cold ones enough to kind of make it bounce back again.
And in terms of Orkney, how many years have people been doing these sorts of things here?
In Orkney, certainly since with regularity since the 1970s, and Orkney Islands Council have got an environmental monitoring unit who have been surveying rocky shores since I think at least the late 1970s, maybe perhaps the early 80s.
Fantastic. Thanks very much indeed.
All right,
Thank
thanks
you.
Sam.